What we got today,
Anyway,
Greg?
let's talk weather across the area here this morning.
Thanks.
As we are looking at the thunderstorms from yesterday, we do want to take you back. This is a beautiful time lapse sent in from Matt Lance, looking from Fort Worth back toward Dallas as those storms really got going. That is an awesome view of those storms as they fired up very quickly across the area yesterday, as we figured they would. And that's a nice view there. During the evening hours, you can see the sun kind of lighting things up as well, illuminating the towering cumulus clouds that developed across the area here, and then those started to dissipate. Just west of Dallas, we had those thunderstorms going, and some of those yesterday evening did go severe in our northeastern counties, but things have quieted down now. But thanks to Matt Lance sending that in. That was a nice shot there. Things quiet now, though. 74 degrees, taking you on out to downtown Dallas right now, as we'll see temperatures are going to be a little cooler north of that stationary front. And the stationary front is going to be the player in our weather today. We'll see those thunderstorms developing along and near that front a little bit later on today, getting into the afternoon. North of that, looking at some low 60s up along the Red River, and then as we head along and south of the front, still looking at those mid-upper 70s, 76 in Waxahachie, 78 right now in Corsicana. So we will have those thunderstorms that do fire up a little bit later today. Had a few leftovers during the early overnight. Things quiet now, but as we look at our timecast, we will see those thunderstorms getting going a little bit later as we head into the early afternoon, maybe around midday, but certainly as we get into the afternoon hours around 1 p.m. or so, and then as we head toward 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, those storms start to increase in coverage and intensity across the area. That's around 5 p.m. how things may look across the area. Showers and storms will be likely during this time frame, with that severe weather threat continuing. And then as we head toward 6 p.m., that begins to push a little farther south, and then things do quiet down once again as we head toward 10 o'clock tonight. Now, that severe weather risk, as we've been talking about, it is level 3 today, an enhanced risk for the strong severe thunderstorms. We are talking about that potential for some large to maybe very large hail later on today. And the damaging wind threat, tornado threat certainly is there today as well. It's going to be on the lower end, but still can't rule out a tornado or two. So definitely stay weather aware as we get into this afternoon, and make sure you have a way to get those warnings that we will likely see for some. Again, not everyone will see severe weather for today, but that potential is there. All right, temperature wise, we're looking at low 80s for those highs later today. Cools off a little bit. It's going to be a nice start to the weekend, especially temperature wise going into Saturday with those highs staying below normal. By Sunday, though, rain and storm chances are back in the forecast for us as we are looking at that 50% coverage on Mother's Day. So hopefully not a washout. We'll hopefully tweak the forecast a little bit, and you can take mom out before that rain starts on Sunday. But we'll have rain chances, it looks like, right on into the early middle part of next week as well, with those temperatures warming back up. Now, we may dry out some and get into a stretch of some dry weather by the end of next week. All right, Tashara, back over to you.